Hey there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Today, we see about exciting world of DeFi, or decentralized finance. If you've ever wondered what DeFi is all about and how it's revolutionizing the financial landscape, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring various DeFi use cases that are making waves in the industry. What exactly is DeFi? DeFi, short for decentralized finance, refers to a new wave of financial applications built on blockchain technology. These applications aim to provide open and accessible financial services to anyone with an internet connection. Instead of relying on traditional intermediaries like banks, DeFi utilizes smart contracts to automate and streamline financial transactions. It's like taking control of your finances in a whole new way. Now, let's explore some of the most exciting DeFi use cases out there. The possibilities are truly endless. One popular DeFi application is yield farming. Yield farming allows users to earn passive income by lending or staking their cryptocurrencies. It's like putting your money to work for you while you sleep. Moving on, DeFi insurance. With DeFi insurance, individuals and businesses can protect their assets and investments in a decentralized manner. It offers an innovative solution to mitigate risks and provides an added layer of security in the crypto space. Next up, we have DeFi staking. Staking involves holding and validating cryptocurrencies on a blockchain network, thus contributing to the network's security and earning rewards in return. It's an excellent way to support your favorite projects and earn passive income at the same time. Speaking of earning rewards, let's talk about DeFi Wallet. DeFi wallets are secure digital wallets that allow users to store, manage, and interact with their cryptocurrencies. They provide seamless access to various DeFi applications, giving you complete control over your financial journey. Now, let's delve into the exciting world of DeFi smart contract. DeFi tokens power decentralized applications, and smart contracts automate and enforce the terms of these transactions. Together, they enable efficient and trustless financial interactions, making DeFi truly revolutionary. Moving forward, we have DeFi lending platform. DeFi lending platforms allow users to borrow or lend cryptocurrencies without intermediaries. This peer-to-peer lending model opens up new possibilities for individuals and businesses, fostering financial inclusion and removing unnecessary barriers. And let's not forget about DeFi crowdfunding. DeFi crowdfunding enables startups and projects to raise funds directly from the community, democratizing access to investments. It's a win-win situation for both the project creators and the investors, fueling innovation and decentralization. Last but not least, DeFi synthetic assets. Synthetic assets are digital representations of real-world assets, like stocks, commodities, or even other cryptocurrencies. DeFi synthetic assets bring traditional financial markets onto the blockchain, offering new investment opportunities to a global audience. We've explored a wide range of DeFi use cases, showcasing the incredible potential and opportunities this technology brings. Whether it's yield farming, insurance, staking, wallets, tokens, smart contracts, lending, crowdfunding, or synthetic assets, DeFi is shaping the future of finance. You want to be part of DeFi as an entrepreneur? Then WeAlwin Technologies is there for you. WeAlwin Technologies provide various DeFi-related development services for fueling your startup. Join hands with us for your dream projects. For more, link in the description.